Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys and Mars Auctions. We have amazing, amazing model kits to show. So stay tuned for more. And keep in mind this will be coming up for sale in September 2025. This falls into the category of have you ever seen a model kit that borders on about 44 inches long and has an instruction manual, I don't know, the size of a scarf. It's insane. This is the venerable Musashi of Japan, 250th, done by Dyusha. Hope I'm not butchering it, but the model company logo's here, and we pretty well got a dead stock kit here. I just wanted to show you how insane these kits got. You'll see guns. You'll see modeling directions, but then the details are just incredible. You build all the small armaments, you get gears, you build motor, gearboxes, and then you add motors. This particular kit will have metal propellers, metal contacts, and an amazing amount of details to perfect. If you're a modeler, this is just a dream. Just look behind, baggie. And, you know, for the model people, it's always nice to have these sealed baggies of parts. And it looks like this was never built. It looks like it's what we'd call dead stock. You see all these little bits and pieces. You got a deck, and the deck's like the size of a paddle. You got the logo, the placard still on the sprue, and look at that. Just crazy stickers, Japanese markings, of course, and then metal parts kits, screws, brass contacts, wires, and a gearbox. Carrying on with a theme of battleships and carriers from World War II, we have an electric motorized 250th scale Joyusha kit, where once again you almost want to say, I want to frame that. That artwork is absolutely luscious. World War II commemoration. They probably had a photograph for inspiration. And this is the aircraft carrier you could build. Not too shabby, wow. I'm ultra impressed. All of this was Japanese technology, probably frustrated World War II engineers that turned to making model kits. Even Imperial Navy people were involved in a lot of these, where the scale models were built off of imperial drawings. Again, this kit is sealed. You got this next tray. Armament. No, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Stickers. And I happen to have always liked building airplanes. The deck is kind of a simulated wood. And then you say, oh, we're done with the kit, right? Right? Wrong. Look at that. Just mind explosion here. I mean, this is a 4-foot hull. Alright, technically not 4 foot, just under 4 feet, but man, just look at that. Look at this detailing. As a kid, I know I would have appreciated this, and I probably would have spent half a year building it, and then, I don't know, probably floating it in a bathtub, floating it in a pool, and, I don't know, maybe having the firecracker treatment after 10 years. And if you ever wondered, this is the detail. The tedium if you're not into it, but the love if you're a model builder. That's what's involved. And you got your 4 propellers. You build your gearbox. You wire it. It's just awesome to be able to see this kind of quote-unquote hobby level toy. And you get to do all this good work here. Let us have another example of insane model kits. This is Idai of Japan. Talks about a motor. This is pretty well a motorized kit. It's some of the best style of Japanese models from late 60s, early 70s. This is a Baritone Panther, 1/20th. And these are some teasers for other really nice kits. Alright, let's look behind the hood, underneath the hood. We have an Idai, looks like a spoiler kit here in red. We have plated accessories, stickers, and this is the motorization and the goodies. The wires, the tires, the gearbox. And Idai did this brilliant blue. I've always liked blue tinting. Looks like the next level is about as minty as you get. Look at that. That's great. And then you get into gunmetal gray, and then the heart of the beast, a stapled in dead stock motor. Okay, so cheers from Ed over to Antique Toys. It will be one zinger of an auction coming up, Mars Auctions, and all these kits will be in there, along with the quick review, gorgeous Shinano, Musashi, Yamato, so forth, ships, and stay tuned for more. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give us some feedback and feel free to write over at toys@AntiqueToys.com. My name's Ed. Have a great day.